Hey everyone, welcome back to The Quiet Creator, your source for the latest in AI tools and tutorials. Today, we're diving into something that's shaking up the entire gig economy, how AI is transforming freelancing forever. If you're a freelancer or thinking about becoming one, this video could change the way you work and earn money. So stick around till the end. You'll discover the best AI tools, smart use cases, and how to future-proof your freelancing career. Let's start with how freelancing used to work. Traditionally, freelancers had to do everything manually, from writing long blog posts, editing videos frame by frame, designing in Photoshop, to responding to clients all by themselves. Now with AI, that entire workflow is changing. Thanks to tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Midjourney, Runway, and Canva AI, freelancers can now get work done faster, cheaper, and at higher quality. We're not just talking about automation. We're talking about augmentation, where AI works with you, not instead of you. Here are some game-changing AI tools that freelancers are using today. Writers are using ChatGPT and Jasper to write blogs, emails, and product descriptions in minutes. Graphic designers are using Canva AI, Midjourney, and DALL-E to generate stunning visuals fast. Video editors are using Runway ML and Pictory to edit videos automatically, even turn scripts into videos. Social media managers automate captions, hashtags, and post scheduling using Okoya or Lately AI. Even virtual assistants now use AI to summarize emails, transcribe meetings, and respond to messages smartly. It's not about replacing jobs. It's about enhancing skills and multiplying output. If you're wondering how to earn more money, here are some freelancing services you can now offer. Powered by AI content writing, use ChatGPT to generate blog articles for clients. Social media management, use AI to plan and post content. It's AI-generated design. Offer quick graphics using Midjourney or Canva. Video script writing and editing. Script with AI. Edit with Pictory. Voiceovers, tools like Eleven Labs let you create voiceovers with any tone or language. The best part? You can start offering these services with almost no prior experience. Now you might ask, where do I find clients for this kind of work? The answer: the same platforms, but smarter. Go to Fiverr, Upwork People, PerHer, and even LinkedIn. Use keywords like AI-enhanced, ChatGPT, optimized, or AI-generated content to stand out. Offer faster turnaround, competitive pricing, and highlight the use of AI tools to boost productivity. Many businesses are looking for freelancers who know how to use AI. You just have to market it smartly. The future of freelancing is all about hybrid skills, knowing how to combine your creativity with AI efficiency. This doesn't mean you stop learning real skills. It means you use AI as your assistant to speed up processes, explore ideas, and scale your work. AI won't take your job, but a freelancer using AI might. So learn these tools, experiment, and adapt. Soon, clients won't ask, "Do you use AI?" They'll expect it. So, is AI a threat to freelancers? It's a superpower, but only for those who are willing to embrace it. Whether you're a writer, designer, editor, marketer, or virtual assistant, this is your moment to evolve and earn more. If you've got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the next AI breakthrough. Drop a comment below and let us know. How are you using AI in freelancing? Thanks for watching The Quiet Creator, where AI works for you.